Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Subnautica 2 and your game keeps crashing on your NVIDIA graphics card, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Subnautica 2 crashing on NVIDIA GPUs easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to update your graphics card drivers to the latest one. So you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for NVIDIA GPU here on Google, and then you're going to go into nvidia.com, click on to drivers, then you're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphics card series and then model and then your operating system. Afterwards, you're going to click find here and it will start searching for the latest GeForce game ready drivers for your graphics card. And once it's done looking for your graphics card drivers, you're going to download the latest GeForce game ready drivers and install them. After you're done installing the drivers, you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up your game's platform. So Steam for me, you're going to right click on Subnautica 2, go into properties, going to install files and then click verify integrity your game files here. And while it's verifying your game's files, you're going to click on to browse here, or you're going to go to your game's location. So the default location should be in your C drive. From files is 6, Steam, Steam apps, and then common. Now Subnautica 2, you're going to right click on the Subnautica exe, go into properties, go into compatibility, click on to run this program as an administrator and also disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply. Okay, and now you can go ahead and try to play the game and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.